Hello YouTube, I wanted to show you my belt buckle collection. First we have this, spinner one, like a saw blade. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I got it from Hot Topic from over there. Next I have this Jimi Hendrix. You probably can't see that well, but I have the Jimi Hendrix 1977. My dad had this when he was young. Next we have this brass knuckle belt buckle. It's pretty cool. I like it. Then we have this one, my Insane Clown Posse Carnival of Carnage. That's a good big one. My Glow in the Dark Hatchet Man belt buckle. And last one, my favorite one, my Batman. I love Batman. Well, yep. That is my entire belt buckle collection. Yep. See you later.